We're at Embedded World 2023. I'm on the Microchip booth here with Martin. Now Martin, FPGAs have already moved into the industrial arena, and image recognition is one of the prime areas that they're being used in. What are some of the challenges that you see or you experience in those designs?
Mm-hmm. So image recognition typically is something where you need to have a lot of processing on the one side to do your required task. But on the other side, if you go for industrial, the power footprint is typically quite challenging because it just needs to go into small box. So uniting those two things is of absolute importance, getting the right performance and a small power footprint.
Okay, so how does Microchip solve that then?
Short answer, PolarFire.
Right, okay, so what have we got here? What are you showing?
So what we are showing here is an image recognition where we are doing recognition of people.
Right.
It's a neural network trained for certain people. Also, if I'm looking into the camera,
all right, you've got the green box around you.
Yep,
I've got the non-recognized box.
Exactly, you're just a person.
I'm just a person.
That's something that you can do on a lot of devices, but the important bit that you can only do on very few devices is this. Put your fingers onto the chip, and it's about 45 degrees here at a room temperature of 25 degrees. So really showcasing the low power consumption, the very good performance on the PolarFire device.
So that will save money on designs
absolutely,
as well?
Absolutely.
Oh, well,
you don't need a heatsink, you don't need a fan, which is not wanted anyway, and a bare device like this just really helps.
So how would I evaluate this then?
Easiest way is just to go on to the Microchip website, have a search for the MPF300 video kit, and then you will get a link to that. Also, the demo, the full setup on that one is available on GitHub. Also, just do a Google search, Microchip, GitHub, Smart Edge. Wrong one. Microchip, GitHub, and then the demo for the Edge IoT. That's the one where you want to have a look for.
All right, fabulous. Well, thank you very much for talking with me about that. Appreciate it.